Yeah, I can hear you good.
Great, great. Sir, in your neighborhood, South 10th Avenue, recently we were working with some neighbors. We are doing a roof inspection, a free roof checkup. Your roof, sir, you know how old it is now?
22 years.
Okay, so this roof checkup, it takes about 10 minutes of your time. We normally take a look at the roof from the exterior, just take some clear pictures, and we review the roof condition. Down the line, if you need a new roof, sir, we can just give you a quote. That's no obligation at all. You have some time tomorrow, sir, maybe in the morning or afternoon?
No, no, I'm sorry. I'm in Cape May. I'm a contractor too. I'm
Okay.
out of town. My wife works, and there's nobody
Mm-hmm.
home. So,
Oh, when do you get off work,
and
Mr. King?
I'm a contractor, and I have friends of
Okay.
mine that are roofers,
Okay.
and I'm considering doing a roof for 4 or 5 years. Right now, it's fine. I know that the roof's fine.
Sure, sure. I
So,
mean, sir, it's better to get a comparison from other companies, sir, and we are a
well,
professional.
I don't need a roof. I don't need a roof right now. I know that I don't need a roof right now.
Right, but down the
Because
line you would need a roof, right?
oh yes, yes. I
And
mean
you have
another.
friends and yes, sir.
Yeah, well, I have contractors that I work with that I know that
Right.
I just know. So
I
I
mean,
mean,
sir,
not
we only give you a quote, sir. That's a better. That might be a better comparison, sir. You never know, sir. So it's just gonna
well,
take
no.
10 minutes.
When I go to do it, why don't you text me your number
Sure,
or send me some literature, and
sure.
when it comes time, because I'm thinking about selling the house. To be honest with you, in the next 3 or 4 years, and it
Okay,
doesn't need a roof. So
okay. I mean, there are a
maybe
lot
we're
of
always
things going on, sir. In the we are a licensed general contractor and a solar company as well, sir. I mean, as you said, you're gonna sell your house sometime later on. If you think about putting solar panel, it's going to get you a brand new roof with the program. So getting a new roof is a part of the program when you get solar panel. So down the line, when you are up to selling your house, maybe you're thinking about putting it in the market. So you just transfer the ownership, and the homeowner they will simply pay a less bill than you're paying now. So it's pretty much win-win from both sides, sir. So if you have
yeah.
some
The
time,
only
sir,
my
we can. Hmm.
I consider putting solar panels on my roof, but the style of my roof and the way it faces didn't work out
No,
so good so far as what it would cost,
right?
and then it would make
You
the house really really ugly. It was really ugly.
Oh, sir, talking about the old panels, these are ugly, but nowadays the solar panel looks like a sleek looking solar panels. This looks good on the on shingles. I mean, we show
Well,
you a
I'd be
virtual.
I'd be interested in talking to you. You know,
Right.
next week I'm local. I call me next week, and then you can
Next
come
week,
out and
sir,
we
when
talk.
do you think you'll be home, sir? I don't wanna bother you by
Uh,
calling. I know you're a busy guy. Just give me a good time. I can follow up. Maybe Monday.
uh, next week Monday's fine.
Monday, what time you get off to work, sir? In the evening?
No, I get back about 4:30, 5 o'clock in the evening.
In the evening. So 5:30, I have a solar expert. They can just simply talk to you. That's a free consultation. So he will give you a call
Yeah,
an hour before four.
that would increase the value of the house, and then okay, a new roof, sell the house, got a new roof, got solar panels. That's
Right. So
fine.
he will just talk to you about it.
Okay, that sounds good.
Right, sir. He will give you a call 4:30. The time he will be free, he will give you the consultation at 5:30. 4:30, an hour before, he will give you a call to recheck with you if you can can be free for 30 minutes. That's gonna be 5:30 the consultation time. If that's okay with you, Mr. Bianco?
That sounds fine. Thank you
Awesome,
very
sir.
much.
This is 507 South 10th Avenue. That's the house, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
And sir, you have a good sunlight on your house. Just asking a simple.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay, and this is a regular roof made out of shingles, right, sir?
Yes.
Awesome. And sir, how much you pay your electricity? Just with the electricity, how much is your bill? Just an idea. You don't have to be accurate.
Geez, geez, I don't know. My wife pays all the bills.
Couple of hundred,
And
you
like
say?
I don't know. In the
Over
summertime, I
$100.
think we're on average. I'm sorry.
Over $100 at least, right? Just an idea.
Oh yeah. Way
Okay.
over on you.
Okay, then you can save a lot of money, sir. Solar will get you a brand new roof. This is your own electricity. My expert will give you a presentation. That's no obligation, sir. One last thing, Mr. Bianco, before I let you go. This is a federal program, federal incentivized program. You get to own your own electricity. So people who qualify, they do have a credit standing 650 or more. You don't have to tell me your credit standing, sir. If it's over 650, you're good to go. So
Oh no, I'm way over that.
awesome, awesome. Mr. Bianco, I just want to make absolutely sure, sir, this coming Monday, that is March the 10th, 5:30 in the evening, sir, my solar expert is going to meet with you in person. He's going to give you a free solar presentation where you will see how you get the new roof, how much incentives available, altogether how solar going to be for your house. And this is absolutely no obligation, sir. If you see the value, you go ahead. Otherwise, it's a free presentation. Do you have any questions, sir, before I let you go?
No, thank you. No,
All
I'm
right,
good.
sir. We have a electric bill ready with you on 5:30 on Monday, and have your family member, your wife as well. We're gonna show you a virtual presentation together. Okay?
Yeah, 5:30 is good because she is done at
5:30.
5. So, good. Okay.
5:30. All right. All right, Mr. Bianco. Nice talking to you, sir. You have a wonderful one, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Bye bye, sir.